Hi everybody, this is Dan Sheridan and I'm looking at a longer term calendar trade. This is a trade that I'm looking at when the VIX is in the teens and the lower level over the last 15, 16 months. And this is good for smaller accounts because I'm using SPY. It's also good especially for newer people, but good for traders who've been around a while because it gives you more room to be wrong. If you look at the last couple weeks, if you look at SPX, it's had a little more turbulence. And so this is a good trade for giving you some room and a good income trade. So here it is. So we're looking at SPY. Let me just put it at one contract here. I'm going to buy one of the July 16 419 calls, and I'm going to sell one of the June 25. My June 25s are 31 days from today. 419 calls. So it's an at the money call. You're looking for your Junes in a calendar to decay quicker than your longs. A calendar is just simply you're buying it further out, selling it closer in, and if you're more neutral in your opinion, you're doing it closer to at the money. SPY right now is about almost 419. And this is going for about $2.33 debit. So SPY is about 10 times cheaper than SPX. It'd be about $233. And you can see the graph here. What I like about it is because I'm further out on my shorts, 31 days out, and because there's about 21 days between the long and the short, my profit area is pretty wide. It's about 9 points in SPX, or in SPY, which would be 90 points in SPX. And on this trade, about 31 days out, I'd look to be in this trade around 10 days. And if you look at like the expected range or standard deviation, probabilities are we're not going outside of our break evens or our profitable area. So I think it's a good trade the way we trade it. Going further out gives you more room, and the way we trade it, maybe staying in a third of the duration on these calendars really works well. We just recently did a class on this. We just finished it last week. If you're interested in it, you can get that class in our archives, and online you could get that conservative strategy. I think it's titled Conservative Strategy, 2 strategies on a long Vega portfolio, but one of them was these longer term calendars, and they've worked real well. In the last week or week and a half when we were down 4% in the SPX, these weren't underwater at all. So good trade that I'd love you guys to practice on, and this is something I'm looking at today. So thanks everybody. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.